and today we have some really interesting HVACs at a water tower place. What's that sound? Oh my gosh! So that's the shutdown of this little York unit right here. It is is this heat pump? No. That York unit is very loud. So here it is. It has a Gentech motor. It's a very weird looking compressor, but it's a 3-ton from I don't know when. Next one is a 5-ton from I don't know when either. And it has a co-control compressor. And I think it has a Gentech motor. That was a liberal. Wait. It's a lucky day. Whoa. What is this? What is this thing? What is this? If anyone knows what this is, please comment. Oh, it's getting hot. Oh! That's some hot air. It's like a water cooler. Well, whatever this is, we got it doing its fancy startup. Well, so yeah. Some very warm air. Now, so this is a water tower place. That nameplate. It's a really good nameplate. But yeah, we have 2 York units. And wait, is this thing? Yeah, so if anyone tell me what in the world that thing is, love it. Well, let's go for today. Bye.